In this video, we will see together le futur proche, so the near future, but more precisely when devoir is used to express the near future. So we all know that the futur proche is constructed with the verb aller that you will conjugate in the present tense, and then you will put your verb in the infinitive form right after. This is the way we structure it. But it's also possible to use devoir. So devoir is used as a modal semi-auxiliary to express the near future. So in fact, it will be extremely interesting because now you can see that to express the near future, you don't have only aller with the infinitive, but you can also use devoir. So let's have few examples. The first one, je dois partir dans 15 minutes. Je dois partir dans 15 minutes. And by using this structure, well, technically you will use it with devoir here in the present. You will express this near future. So it would be exactly the same meaning as if you would have je vais partir dans 15 minutes. Je dois partir dans 15 minutes. Second, je dois finir cet exercice pour demain. Je dois finir cet exercice pour demain. And it's exactly the same thing here. If you put je vais finir cet exercice pour demain, or if you say je dois finir cet exercice pour demain, it will be exactly the same meaning. It will be this near future concept, le futur proche. Elle doit attraper son avion dans 1 heure. Same thing here. We have the verb devoir conjugated in the present tense, third person of the singular, elle doit. And it would be exactly the same thing. Elle va attraper son avion dans 1 heure. Elle doit attraper son avion dans 1 heure. It will, in both of the cases, express the future proche, the near future. Je dois dormir car je suis mort de fatigue. Same thing here, the verb devoir in the present tense, first person of the singular, je dois, and then you put the infinitive dormir. Je dois dormir car je suis mort de fatigue. You could also say je vais dormir car je suis mort de fatigue, but in both of the cases you will express the same concept, le futur proche.